We have news coming in at this point. Remember, Arvind Kejriwal had filed a plea in Supreme Court over the arrest by the Enforcement Directorate, and now we're learning that the CJI has assigned this matter to a special bench headed by Justice Sanjeev Khanna, who will be hearing the plea shortly. This is the latest information that we're tracking for you in terms of Arvind Kejriwal's arrest. We're learning that Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer had in fact insisted on an urgent hearing. We're learning that the CJI has now assigned the matter to a special bench headed by Justice Sanjeev Khanna. This matter will be heard shortly is what we're learning. Remember, the Aam Aadmi Party had approached the Supreme Court after Arvind Kejriwal was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the liquor policy case. He was arrested late last evening. He's also going to be produced in court today. Now, Arvind Kejriwal will be produced in the Rouse Avenue court today by the Enforcement Directorate, in terms of the application in the Supreme Court, the CJI has assigned the matter to a special bench. I have my colleague Aishwarya joining us with more details. Aishwarya, now first of all, we're learning that the CJI has assigned the matter that the Aam Aadmi Party had filed before it to a special bench, and we're also expecting Arvind Kejriwal to be produced in the Rouse Avenue court today.
Well, certainly what we're hearing from the Supreme Court is that after K. Kavita's order, it was Abhishek Manu Singhvi who had appeared for Arvind Kejriwal, and he asked about mentioning of Arvind Kejriwal's plea, to which the CGI has now assigned it to the very same special bench that was earlier hearing K. Kavita's plea as well. And currently it is Arvind Kejriwal's lawyer who is waiting for the special bench to hear the petition of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. In fact, it is the Chief Justice of India who had stated that it should be the special bench that should hear, to which from the court what latest we are getting is that the three-judge bench which was hearing the challenge to the sections and you know the plea that was filed by K. Kavita, that particular bench will hear the matter of Arvind Kejriwal. Currently it is the legal team, including Abhishek Manu Singhvi, who are waiting for the bench to assemble and to hear the matter further.
Right, Aishwarya, at this point, in fact, we're getting more information that Justice Khanna, in fact, has said that the petitioners have to go back to the CJI, as earlier it was supposed to be a three-bench hearing, but suppose there is some sort of confusion in the number of people who are set to hear this particular matter. As of now, we are learning that the CJI had assigned it to a special bench, and now Justice Khanna saying that the CJI is the one who had to take up the matter.
Well, certainly this was something which was raised by Abhishek Manu Singhvi soon after K. Kavita's case to the Chief Justice of India, and he referred it to the special bench. Now it was Abhishek Manu Singhvi who stated that three-judge bench was hearing the challenge to the sections, and therefore the reasons perhaps Justice Khanna stated that there might be some confusion, to which the Solicitor General stated that it doesn't make any difference to me whether it is before three-judge or two-judge bench. The matter should be heard now. Whether this will go back to the CGI or not, but the update which is coming in from the Supreme Court is that today itself the matter will be heard by the Supreme Court. It will be three-judge special bench that will hear the petition of Arvind Kejriwal. So that's the latest coming in from the Supreme Court today itself. The special bench will be hearing the matter of Supreme Court of Arvind Kejriwal.
Right. Absolutely. Thank you, Aishwarya, for joining us and bringing us those details. This was the latest we were tracking for you on the story.